But it is love, mama, trying to function, and everyone around you keep an eye on. Lately you more dead than alive.
Hey guys, this is Nick. Welcome to my channel, My Video Babies. This is my first time how-to video. Now, this is for the people who has a Fire Stick issue like me. Now, I had this issue for a very, very long time, and I thought to myself, something's wrong with my Fire Stick. I went to every settings and everything. I could not find. I figured out how to do it, and I figured it out. Now, if you have a problem just like me, if you could see on your top right corner, you could totally see the search bar and what it looked like a half flashlight, right? Everything looks so pushed in. Now, I want to show you guys a perfect way to make it all normal again. Now, I want you guys to take care. No, I want you guys to listen to this very carefully, okay? Your Fire Stick controller is totally different than your TV, your flat screen TV controller, if you have one. If you have a flat screen TV controller, this is what you do. Because at first when I started this, when I read the information down, hold on, I'm going to show you guys right now. When I read the information down, I went to display. Don't go to settings first. I went to display and sounds. Now go to display. Now go to calibrate displays, no scales. And as you can see, are the gray arrows touching the edge of your display? If not, your TV scales the picture, which may be blocking part of the Fire TV screen. To fix this, adjust the picture size, picture settings. Sorry, I can't read. But anyway, this is what you do. Go back to everything else. As you can see, just go to here. This you go to here. Because that first time when I thought the problem was my cable box, my cable controller remote. So I was trying to zoom in, zoom out, and then went back here, and it was like the same problem. That's not the issue. That's not it. You take your flat screen TV remote. You press tools like so. Now, as you can see, when it says picture size, you go down. Now, as you can see, it says 16.9. Now, what you're going to do is you hit that, and it shows a bunch of lists. It says Y set, and as you can see, when I press Y set, it changed. Now, it was 4.3, it went back, it pushed back. Now, this is what you really need to do. Press screen fit and press enter. That's it. That's all you need to do. You press exit, and everything's back to normal. Now, as you can see in the far right corner, you see the search bar, and what it looked like a half flashlight is back to normal, right? I hope this video helped you out, guys. I want to say thank you so much for joining me in this video. I want you guys to write in the comment section down below what you guys think of this video. This is my first about to video. I'm not professional like everybody else you see. I'm doing this uncut in my room, chilling. Thought about you guys. I thought you had the same issue as I do, and here's the problem. And I fixed the problem for you guys. So I want you guys, show me some love. Hit that like button. Also, guys, if you want to know more videos from me, hit the notification bell to let you guys know I'm there. Okay, guys? Till next time. See you when I see you. Deuces.